Hi friends, today is Saturday and it's 7th of December, and for me Saturdays are busy days. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning and then I have to cook, and so today I want to pickle cabbage. Actually, I started pickling the cabbage a few days ago, let's say around a week ago, and I noticed that the brine, it wasn't looking quite clear, so I transferred the cabbage. I transferred the cabbage from a big jar to these ones, and I threw away the brine, and I'm making another brine now. The cabbage is already started pickling. I don't want to touch it to show you. It's sour, but it's still crunchy, and I want it a little bit soft. I have 3 jars. Let me tell you how I do this. So I buy cabbage and I wash it and I cut it in quarters or even smaller bits, and then I boil water, and the cabbage, I put it in a jar, and then I pour the hot water over the cabbage and let it for a few seconds, and then I take the water out and let the water cool down, because I don't want the cabbage to get cooked inside the jar. So I just want to kill some of the bacteria, because you cannot kill it all. And then when it's cool, I measure the water, and for each liter of water I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and I mix it well. And for pickling, I'm using this canning and pickling salt. I have another technique here. This goes very well. I never get wrong with this technique. I shred the cabbage and I massage it with salt, and then I let it lose a little bit of its water and put it in the jar, put the salty water on top, and then I have these things that are used in brewing beer, and I don't know how these are called. Okay, so I found out this is called air lock. So keeps the air from getting in but lets the gas getting out, and it's filled with water. You see? Yeah. Okay, so I'm excited because this is already good to consume. There are 20 degrees. What winter is this? 20 degrees outside, but still for me it's cool, you know. I feel the cool and dry air, and it's amazing. I like it. What else I'm gonna do? So for now I'm just enjoying myself with this coffee, and I'll probably watch another Vlogmas or something for a few minutes, and then I go back in the kitchen. I'm making a sweet bread. It's too sticky. Make it work. I have a lemon zest. I'm just sprinkle it here. And walnuts. I still add more. oil this pan a little bit more to make sure it's ready enough. And I'll put this in here. And we let them rise for a few minutes before we put them in the oven. I'm fixing to bread some cod fillets to fry them in a pan. For breading I'm using this corn. It's pre-cooked yellow corn meal. Pepper, some salt I have here. This is salt. I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna mix it with water and I'm gonna make some patties. Just add a little bit of water and some salt. And I put a little bit of coconut fat. Yeah, never done this. More water. So I need to make a dough. It's nice. So I'll just break it like this. Make little balls that I'm gonna fry in a pan. These are good warm, you cannot eat them the next day. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
I just noticed everything I have in this on this dish is yellow. Everything is yellow.